contain the spread. You can slow it, you can limit it, but you can't contain it.
A 50-year-old Westchester man who works at a Manhattan law firm has become the second confirmed case of coronavirus in New York State.
Flooded with patients who need critical care, Elmhurst Hospital is now an epicenter of the coronavirus pandemic.
No one should take the coronavirus situation lightly.
The clock is ticking at overburdened facilities as healthcare workers continue to battle coronavirus while supplies are running low. They both emphasize the need for 65,000 patient beds, 20,000 ICU beds, and 15,000 ventilators by the end of April. A part of that demand will be met by hotel rooms transforming into hospital rooms.
We've issued masks, gloves, and disinfectants to all of our precinct commands.
Mobs of anxious New Yorkers fill neighborhood grocery stores as coronavirus concerns continue to grow.
There's like nothing left in there. All the frozen foods are gone.
An unprecedented decision. New York City closing the 1,800 public schools that serve more than 1 million school children.
The new government directives announced late Sunday and Monday morning will shut nightclubs, movie theaters, and small theater and concert spaces, on top of the larger venues already closed.
I understand health and safety come first, but now what do we do? I am very concerned of my family's financial being, my employees and their families.
Hundreds of thousands of New Yorkers have filed for unemployment after businesses were forced to shut down to avoid the spread of coronavirus.
She does wonder if the people in charge really have a grasp on all the repercussions their decisions have on small business owners.
There's no talk at all about what's going to happen to support us, if there's going to be any PPP at all, It's already been made clear to us here, at least in New York City, that nobody really cares about us in Washington.
Black tarps were hanging over one parking lot entrance, hiding what was in the back of the facility. Only residents could look down and see it clearly. It's a refrigerated trailer for bodies, only found by New York One through a metal fence at the adjacent building. According to the state, as of Wednesday, only 13 people have died at this Washington Heights nursing home from COVID-19. But that number is deceiving. The death toll is much, much higher. At least 98 residents of Isabella have died since the pandemic started. They died on site, at the home, or at a nearby hospital. It's almost 14% of the residents.
If you go and look at what's happened to New York, it's a ghost town. It's a ghost town.
Trump hates New York. Feelings are probably mutual. We brought the rate down now to one of the lowest rates in the United States of America. New York has a lower infection rate than the White House.
With indoor dining postponed indefinitely due to concerns about the coronavirus, starting this weekend, Mayor de Blasio is allowing 22 locations across the 5 boroughs to expand its outdoor dining options.
The cavalry is coming. The vaccine is coming, starting this month.
Mayor de Blasio said Thursday the Pfizer vaccine could arrive here in the city as early as December 15th.
This is the first emergency-authorized Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine given in the United States.
Opening day for vaccinations at Yankee Stadium. Opening day for the people of the Bronx.
What do you prefer? You could die from the virus. You could be safe from the vaccine.
70% vaccination. It is the national goal, and we hit it ahead of schedule.